Hello, my name is Nick and I am with Intelos. Today I am going to be sharing with you how to set up Microsoft's MFA on your own account so you can make sure that your account stays secure. Now this setup is a little bit complicated only because you do need to have your phone with you, but doing all the steps is super simple. The only thing that you're going to need on your phone is to install the Microsoft Authenticator app from whatever app store that your phone uses. Let's get started and I'll show you the whole process. First, what we're going to do is sign in to Microsoft. And then here it's going to start to actually prompt you to set up your MFA. So what you're going to do here is hit next. And then this is where it's going to tell you to install the Microsoft Authenticator. You would just need to get it on the Play Store or the App Store. And then you just hit next. And then you just need to hit next one more time. And now it's going to show you a QR code. And now we're going to switch over to our phone and show you how to set that up. Now on your phone, you're just going to click on the Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure that you sign into it. And now that you have this QR code, what you're going to do is you're going to hit this arrow at the top of the screen. You're going to set up a work or school account, and you're going to select scan that QR code. Now you're just going to go ahead and scan that QR code right there. Perfect. And now you should see it in your little area for the Microsoft MFA. Once that's set, you just hit next. And then you should see a 44 appear on your screen. This number might change, it might be different. All that matters is you put the same number that's on the screen into your phone, and then you hit yes. You approve that sign in, and that's it. That's all you need to do to get Microsoft Authenticator added to your device.